Hello everybody. Today we are reviewing the Borla 11839 axle back exhaust. Now the main reason why I got this exhaust instead of a cat back is I wanted something that was really simple to install and uninstall in case I wanted to go back to stock. I know that you get a lot more performance out of a header back or cat back, or better yet, you would have a header and an exhaust together without catalytic converters, and then you can get some noticeable performance gains. Right now I'm not really worried about performance. I do have a few minor modifications that I've done to the car. I've got a lightweight pulley made by Perrin. I've got some weight reduction, spare tire removal, and a few other things that have reduced the weight of the car. And I've also modified the intake tube. I've expanded the inlet of the stock intake tube and opened it up in preparation for the open flash tablet tune that I plan to get here within the next few weeks. So all of these things that I've done, except for modifying my intake tube, are easily reversible. Go ahead and open up the windows here, since I'm in an area where I can't drive very fast anyway. Car exhaust can really make a car a lot more fun. Even if it doesn't enhance the performance very much, like this one, it just gives it so much personality. Listen to that. I love that. This is well worth the money. And I may have picked up a couple of horsepower, you know, 3 or 4 horsepower, I don't know. Doubtful. I'm gonna notice more significant gains whenever I do my open flash tablet tune with E85, and there just happens to be an E85 gas station right down the road from me. Only 1 mile from my house. That's gonna be good fun. Not like a turbocharger or anything like that, but it's gonna make the car improved. We'll just say that. There is something else I'm considering getting. And a lot of you are going to think that this is crazy. But I'm pretty old school. I've been modifying cars since the early 2000s, and something that was very popular. Ooh, listen to that. Something that was very popular back then was nitrous oxide kits. People get scared of that. They've heard of cars blowing up. There's a person that has a BRZ or an FRS, I can't remember which, that he did blow up his engine. He had it on the dyno, and he revved his car up past the rev limiter on accident with 100 shot of nitrous. So it's 100 horsepower and 100 foot-pounds of torque instantaneously on a stock motor. And then it ended up throwing a rod. Not too cool. All right, we're back home. It's well worth the money. $565 shipped from Jet.com. It's worth every penny.